So what is it about the way that a machine moves that will make you believe in it as if it's alive?
But all of this really starts with the one secret, which is... So most likely by now you've heard this amazing looking, definitely creepy looking humanoid robot, which is this.
Can you fly?
No.
Amateur. Just joking.
This is Ameca, and it is claimed that eventually it's gonna take over the world because this is a robot that is cloud connected and which could possibly answer or respond to any question or give a response. That is terrifying. It could know your or my weakness. So in simple words, it is gonna take over the world. Well, that's my thesis, teacher. Ha, A+.
The next morning.
Here.
F, ha. Alright, jokes aside, let's meet the creator.
We have this really strong notion of biological motion. So you very, very rarely mistake a machine for a living thing. And we wanted to play with that idea. So what is it about the way that a machine moves that will make you believe in it as if it's alive? The first thing you learn is that you're never going to match human. So the first thing you learn is how to deal with disappointment.
But all of this really starts with the one secret, which is the big idea. Because we as humans will create anything to solve the world or our problems, just like this awesomely flippant cheetah made to improve mobility. Ah, he did it. This guy is so cool. Or like this tomato feeding you tomatoes while you're running. I mean, what? You do not eat tomatoes while running? Which world are you living in? Well, salute to you, mister. You will change the world with this. But if you want to learn how to start robotics the right way, then you can start by clicking on this video, where you will learn how to start robotics the right way.